Hello, this is episode 8 of Go Invit series, and today I will teach you how array works in Go. So first of all, the declaration syntax. For that, we just have to use the bar, and when we say the name of array, and we will then say how big of this array will be, and then what type of array this will be. So we have var names, and then we will just say fmt import it, and then we will just print it. So let me print it first. By default, all of the elements will be 0 because there is no element. Now let me tell you how you can push an element in an array. So for that, we can just say nums at index. So I will say at 0th index, add the element 4, and nums at the index 2, at the element number 7. And then after this, we will print the array again. And if I now save and run it again, you can say 4 and 7 is inserted successfully. So this is how we can print it. We can create different type of arrays too, like var, bool, and it will be a boolean type of array. So if I did this, bool e. So if I print it now, the array will be a boolean, and by default the value will be false. Let me make it bool e. Yeah, so you can say by default it will be false, and we can also do this. Now let me tell you how we can pre-fill an array at the declaration. So what I can do is, if I remove this, and if we have a variable with op3, and then we can simply say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay, now we have did this. So we have variable of nums. So now for that we have to remove this var, and we have to actually shorten declare it. So now this way we can pre-make an array with the pre-filled elements. So now if I print this and ln and nums, we can see we will have a pre-filled array. As you can see, we got a pre-filled array. Now let me tell you how we can make a 2 by 2 array, 2D array. So for that we have to just say nums, then we will do a shortened syntax declaration. Then we will say we have 2 cross 2 array type of integer, and we can then do this parenthesis, and then create 2 different parentheses inside with a comma. So if I add element here like 3, 4 and 7, 9, and now if I print this fmt.println nums, so this way we can declare a 2D array. So that is all for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.